Hello, YouTube. You know who it is, Steve of R.N.FitLife. Guys, I've been gone for a couple weeks now. I know a lot of things has happened. I went on vacation. I started a new job. I had to do training outside of town for 7 weeks. I was still putting out videos, but then the training started getting a little tough on me, and I couldn't put out videos as much. But that's neither here or there. I'm back now and I'm here to put a new video out. So let's get into it.
All right, my wellness warriors, I'm back again. Sorry for the hiatus. Life's just been happening. Started a new job, like I said earlier. Had to go see my parents coming back from my trip to Africa. I haven't seen them since January, and I wanted to go see my family, my parents, and my siblings. But I'm back again, shooting this new video for you guys. Today we're going to work on chest using this flat hammer machine. As always, the routine is in the description. So this machine is actually a new device that I saw at the gym, and it actually focused really on the inner chest, which is a plus because it can create that real meaty portion in your middle chest that most people lack. Now, if you don't have this device in your gym, just focus on the regular flat hammer strength. It works the same area of the muscle. Just make sure you incorporate that mind muscle connection and just squeeze. We're going to do 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps now. We're going to increase the reps, and with each set, we're going to increase the weight. Every so often, after you finish a set, just try to pump blood and flex the area where you just got finished working out. And that's what you see me doing right here. I'm just trying to pump as much blood as I can. Your boy looking pretty good right now. All right, this device right here is the decline hammer strength. I tend to focus on this exercise, actually on this body part, which is the lower pecs. Every so often, I don't really focus on this area because I don't want to develop any man boobs. So I tend to focus more on the upper chest and on flat bench, like flat chest areas. Not so much decline, because as you get older and you stop lifting, you will develop man boobs later in life. Here, I guess I was feeling myself and realized I was not getting full range of motion. So I decided to drop the weight. Guys, we're not here to ego lift. I dropped the weight because I wasn't going to get the full range of motion and I wasn't doing any benefit to myself. Sometimes you just gotta drop the weight. But I know if in the future, if I keep practicing at that weight and keep introducing it to my central nervous system, I will eventually push that weight. Here we're doing some cable crossovers, and we're going to do high volume. We're going to do 15 sets. You want to pick a medium to light weight because this exercise doesn't really focus on going heavy, and you just want to find a good groove and squeeze as you get to the bottom. Again, you want to rotate your shoulders so that you don't create no impingement, because you can start having shoulder pain from this exercise. Make sure also you step forward to create resistance when you're performing this exercise.
Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, hit that notification button so that you know every time when I drop a new video.
So again, this exercise is not meant to go heavy. I know I keep repeating this. All you want to do is you want to focus on that mind muscle connection. And to attain this, if you feel like you need to close your eyes and just focus to help you connect with that mind muscle connection, go ahead and do so. Don't worry about if people staring at you. They're not important. I do it all the time. If I want to really have that good connection, I will shut my eyes and just focus on the squeeze so that I can learn how to build that mind muscle connection flawlessly. So take practice and try it out for yourself, and let me know in the comments if you're able to build that mind muscle connection.
Hey there, did you know that staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health? especially with these 90 and above temperatures we've been having for the last month and a half. If you want to dive deeper into the benefit of water consumption, check out my previous video link right here. It's packed with tips and tricks to help you drink more water.
Next exercise, high cable flies. Think of it as a fly and a press put together, hitting your upper pec fibers. Your arms are slightly going to be bent as you're coming down to execute a fly, and then you're going to press forward to finish the movement. I particularly like this exercise a lot because it focuses on the upper portion of your chest where the clavicle you see in most people. This actually gives you that anesthetic look as if like you don't have a bone right there because it's covered by meat, muscle. And I like that look because it separates you from everybody else. So I definitely incorporate any type of upper chest workout. That's something I focus on because I like the separation from other people. I don't like to look the same as everybody else. I like to make improvements that give me that distance from the next person. So try this exercise and incorporate it into your workout and tell me how you like it, and see if you notice the clavicle bone disappearing and muscle building up right in that area.
And there you have it, a quick and effective 30-minute chest workout for beginners. Remember, consistency is key to building muscle. So aim to incorporate this routine into your weekly workout plan. But don't forget to warm up before starting and cooling down afterwards to prevent injuries. If you enjoy this workout, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly workout routine. Let's build that chest together. Now, go crush your workout. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.